Is it time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we will explore the SOXL ETF in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 4th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 25th of March, 2025, our system has rated SOXL as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -7.13. Now, let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF has incurred a loss of 57.52%. In simpler terms, this represents an average loss of 6.39% per day since it was categorized as a strong sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund has broken through a very wide and declining short-term trend. Initially, a stronger rate of decline is indicated. However, false breaks and sell-off events may occur. Nevertheless, a further decline seems plausible, and any rebounds back to the breaking point of $11.33 are viewed as a second chance to exit. According to the fan theory, a decline of $0.179 will represent the new lower boundary of the next trend, but it is still too early to confirm this. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of 43.31% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a decrease of 26.44% to an increase of 48.28%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of -39.72%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decline of 57.41% to an increase of 218.37% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $3.72 and $27.79. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, Volatile ride for SOXL ETF price on Friday, moving between $8.18 and $10.43. The SOXL ETF price fell by 23.49% on the last day, which was Friday, the 4th of April, 2025, from $11.41 to $8.73 during the last trading day. The ETF fluctuated 27.52%, reaching a low of $8.18 and a high of $10.43. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in a total decline of 54.72% over this period. Volume increased on the last day by 186 million shares despite falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 482 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $4.210 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price was $8.18. Currently, the price is 87.54%, or $61.35, below the 52-week high, and 97.69%, or $369.51, below the all-time high, which occurred on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price reached $378.24. The Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares Exchange Traded Fund, SOXL, has recently encountered significant turbulence, retreating to $26.30, marking a staggering 62% drop from its 2024 high. This decline can largely be attributed to the waning artificial intelligence bubble, leading to diminished market confidence in semiconductor stocks. Given SOXL's reliance on the performance of major semiconductor companies, any signs of weakening demand, particularly with the rise of custom graphics processing units from competitors like Google and Amazon, present additional risks by compressing margins. Moreover, concerns regarding performance tracking have emerged, revealing persistent inefficiencies in SOXL's ability to align with its benchmark index over various periods. This inefficiency has dissuaded investors, contributing to a bearish sentiment. In the short term, these developments may result in increased volatility and price pressure as investors reassess their positions in a potentially declining artificial intelligence market. Despite the current downturn, some market analysts view this as a buying opportunity, highlighting semiconductors' vital role in economic growth and a likely recovery in the sector. However, with leverage amplifying both risks and rewards, it is essential for investors to exercise caution. The outlook on SOXL will largely depend on how quickly the semiconductor sector can adapt and rebound from the pressures currently affecting it. For those with a higher risk tolerance, SOXL remains an intriguing option, albeit laden with significant uncertainty in both the short and long term. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The SOXL ETF is exhibiting sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which presents a rather negative outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. If there are upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $14.58 and $20.88. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, March 24, 2025, and the ETF has since decreased by 58.43%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is presently indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, closer monitoring of the ETF is advised. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 10 days ago, Bollinger. Buy signal from 75 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 30 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 11 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 167 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and if conditions are unfavorable, the exchange-traded fund may experience significant declines in the coming days. This ETF can exhibit considerable daily fluctuations, indicating high volatility, and with a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated $2.25 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 27.52%. During the last week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 16.50%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the exchange-traded fund could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may consider entering a position and using volume to guide your decision on when to exit. Conversely, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, indicating that the exchange-traded fund could potentially drop sharply under certain circumstances. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. We have a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund and no stop loss has been set. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? SOXL presents several negative signals and is currently in a broad declining trend, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative outlook on this ETF. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 7th of April, we anticipate SOXL will open higher by 383 cents, starting the trading session at $9.11. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.